Hi humans, welcome to Hanoron. So in today's episode I'm going to show you how to fill your indoor potting mix. The main thing about the indoor potting mix is that the mix should hold the water for extended period of time, at least for 3 to 4 days. So this is the three pots that we will be filling today. Without further ado, let's get started. I am keeping this plastic sheet to reduce the amount of mess it creates, and also it will help to clean faster. The first ingredient in the soil mix is the garden soil. I took a pot full of garden soil and spread it along the plastic sheet. So for the next step, I am adding a pot full of coco peat above the garden soil. So now the ratio is 1:1, one part of coco peat and one part of garden soil. Coco peat is nothing but coconut fibers which absorb water and keep the pot moist for 3 to 4 days. The third ingredient is sand. I filled less than half of pot with sand and added to the mixture. Sand help in proper drainage, and also sand help in aerating the soil, which is very important. The last ingredient is some fertilizer or soil nutrient. I prefer using organic soil nutrient which I bought from the local hardware shop. The next step is to mix all 4 ingredients to get a uniform consistency. So each and every part will have equal amount of ingredients, which is crucial for our plants. After mixing for about 3 to 4 minutes, I was able to get the required consistency. Also try to remove the unnecessary substances like small stones, bits of plastics and other substances from the mixture as well. Since our soil is all mixed up, it's time to fill the pots with our homemade potting soil. So I grabbed a planting pot and fill it with our potting mix. Make sure to leave 1 to 2 inches of free space from the top of the pot. Same way I filled all 3 pots with the potting mix. I prepared the potting mix to fill the 3 pots and it worked as I planned. These are the 3 pots which is ready to be used for planting. So we have prepared 3 pots. Now we need 3 plants. So I got actually 3 plants. One is the snake plant, which I will show you right now. So this is the snake plants that I got from my relative's home. Then the next plant I will be planting is aloe vera. So this is the aloe vera. This has got pretty nice root, and also it's in medium growth stage. So the third plant I have got is this one, which of course I don't know its name. So if you guys know this plant's name, please comment down below. So this is it. Let's get planting. Let's move towards the planting part. First I will be planting the snake plant. Just remove the excess root and dig a small hole in your pot with your hands. I'm using the bare hand because I like to get my hands dirty. Then place the plant inside the pot. Cover the remaining part with soil and give it a gentle press. After that, pour a little bit of water as well. By following this step, I planted aloe vera and the other green plant as well. Indoor plants are so good to keep in your room. It gives a positive vibe when you look at it. If you love the indoor plants, you should give it a try. I love the indoor plants and I have many in my room. So I am with my new plants. I have got my snake plant, then this one and my aloe vera. So if you learn anything from this video, drop a thumbs up and subscribe because there is more coming. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Look at these dirt. I have to clean it now. That's a hell lot of a job. I got to clean the dirt anyway, so